Hey, how's it going? I'm Sketch Monster, otherwise known as Enrique. Today, we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us imposter. It's going to be simple, easy. I think this one's a little bit different than you've seen before. It's a very short lesson for beginners, so stick around for the entire short lesson. Let's get started right now. Hey, let's get started on this Among Us character. He's going to be kind of like surprised or something like that. So let's draw it, all right? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curve for the top of the head. All right? Follow along with me, by the way, if you can. If not, you can just watch. Not a big deal. If you're an Among Us fan, good job. You're here. Curve over here for the lens. Kind of on the crewmate. It's going to go over here and curve on this side. It kind of looks like a fluffy pillow, in my opinion. And then we're going to curve underneath here. Right there. So you have the lens part of the crewmate's, visor, whatever you call it. I'm going to go over here. Down. Really long character this time, okay? Going to pull a line down here. And we're going to put the teeth a little bit differently, like right here. Bang. Like that's a top row of teeth. Going to go over here on this side. Curvature here. Gonna go over here on this side, down. And then right over here on this side, we're gonna go up. Right there on the edge. And we're gonna pull a line down right here. Right on. So we have this like big open mouth, right? Because the crewmates do that. They tend to have they have their monster. Well, I mean, it's kind of like an imposter, right? Okay, imposters do that. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna draw the tongue. Wham! Like in there, like it's, I don't know, reminiscing there. I don't know. Gonna go over here, up, right here, kind of a similar shape, and we're gonna tie these guys together here at the very end. Right on. Gonna go here on this side, curve along here, circle over here on this side. Really quick, okay, let's take a little break. Among Us crewmates are, in general, one of the easiest things I think you can draw when you memorize the simple shapes they're made up of. When you do that, it's incredibly simple. You kind of go on with it, and you can create any pose you want. If you have a drawing you want to send me, send it to me at, I'm going to put the address below, and maybe one day I will feature you on the videos here. Let's get back into the lesson right now. And then right here at the bottom, we're going to curve underneath for the foot, pull up. He's got like these marshmallow feet, in my opinion. Like when you look at the crewmates and the, Among Us, imposters, they all have kind of like soft features, yet it's weird because the imposters are, angry looking, so when they reveal themselves. But yeah, good stuff. Right on over here, we're gonna curve over here for the underneath the body, and then right here on this side, gonna curve underneath. Over here at the top, out. Over here at the bottom, out. We're gonna draw a long line over here, curve down. And we're pretty close to kind of completion of this, and we're only like 2 minutes in, right? So you're pretty much got a lot of stuff going. Before I'm going to tell you this, don't forget, hit the subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. I post these kind of videos daily. We pick something from, from media, whether it be Among Us, whether it be dinosaurs, whether it be Godzilla, whether it be Mario, whatever it is, whatever's requested, we're going to go over a lesson like this. Real simple, real easy for beginners. Absolutely hit the subscribe. There's nothing to lose by doing that. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. It's going to actually let you know when I post. I post daily. In the morning, I post traditional drawing lessons like this, and in the evening, I will post iPad drawing lessons because people requested those as well. But good stuff all around. Definitely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. We're trying to hit 200,000 probably by the end of the month, and I think it's probably going to reach there. So let's get back into this. I'm going to fill in this inner portion of him. The reason you want to do that sometimes too, especially if you're doing line art within marker or whatever in pencil, if you shade it in pencil, the reason you want to do that is because it forms contrast. Meaning when I do this, well, and I'll tell you about contrast in a little bit, okay? That's a drawing concept that's going to help you in all drawing. Let's fill this guy in. It's a little bit hard because the mouth shape is so big, right? I drew it so big. And by the way, here's another thing. When you're drawing this stuff, you don't have to be that exact. You want the impression of it. You don't have to be exact. You're not a machine. Don't worry about it. You just want the proportions good enough that people can instantly tell what it is. And if you get that impression, you can make a lot of mistakes and people won't mind. They really won't even notice sometimes unless they really inspect it, you know? Maybe a little line here, a little slip up here. But that's kind of... Sorry the video cut out, but I was talking about contrast right here. When you kind of fill this shape in, it makes this instantly read to a viewer. Even if the viewer doesn't know how to draw, it just kind of reads better. Same thing over here. I made a little bit of a thicker line to kind of create focus up in that eye area outside of the mouth. But when you do something like that, it just kind of makes it quicker, better, gives it like a sticker image feel, and again, it's just like a better overall. Especially if you're doing stuff in black and white, you really want to do that. One thing I do also, and this is 100% purely just a style thing, this isn't a contrast thing, is forming a thicker line around your character. It just, for whatever reason, it just really helps doing that. I don't know why. I don't know why it does that, but I like it. And it's purely a style thing. It just kind of makes things pop and read a lot better. So right on right here. Don't forget to follow the page, by the way. Like I was saying, definitely hit the subscribe. And what I want you to do is I want you to hit the like button if you can hear my voice right now. When you practice, hopefully you having a great you're having a good time, you're having fun doing this, you're having fun just kind of drawing these characters for fun. And you're just going to get better at it every time you just doodle. I would say doodle a little bit each day as opposed to drawing like 8 hours for like one day every like 3 weeks or something. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You're awesome. We're about to hit the 200,000 subscriber mark, so please spread the channel love. Maybe share the video. That's a very big thing. Or you can just say hi in the comment section. It's good for engagement. You can just ask me a question in the comment section. That's good for engagement. Or anything else you want. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are awesome, and I'll see you later, okay? Talk to you very, very soon, and I'm easy to reach.